guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Technical Ayush. Today we will be doing the sound test of Panasonic 2.1 channel speaker system. Its model name is SC HT21 GWK and its price is only rupees 6,000. So first of all, I will tell you about the speaker. It has a 6-inch subwoofer at the middle and 2 satellite speakers. It has a total output RMS is of 65 watt. So let us start our sound test. I'm playing the music at full volume. You can listen that it has a very high volume and no distortion at all. Now the bass music will come and you can see how it gives bass. Here the controller is, and it has 3 modes: volume, bass and treble. Press the mode. Now it is in bass mode. Now the bass is increasing and it's the treble. You can listen. Now the volume. Okay guys, now our sound test is over. So if you like this speaker, I suggest you to buy this. It has Bluetooth connectivity also. Okay guys, if you like this video, press the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.